Hey guys, welcome back to this video. Today I look like trash because I just woke up. I'm so tired. Excuse the background noise, I'm sorry. Today I will have to go to school again. I'm really tired, as you can see. Don't really know what classes I have today. I think I have a practical and I also have like, I think English. I'm not sure. I'm just really tired. So I'll take you guys with me. For the people that don't know me, okay, I'm gonna just start walking. For the people that don't know me, my name is Lana. And this is my second video, I think. Yeah, it is. I'm so tired. I also want to thank everyone for like all of the views and the likes and the new followers and the subscribers. Thank you. But I'm at the train station now. Guys, it started snowing out of nowhere. Like, what the hell? It's only like November. Guys, I'm getting all covered in snow. What the hell? I didn't expect this in November. Like, what? Look at this. Wow. Guys. What the hell? Okay, guys, I look crazy. I literally have mascara all around my eyes. But guys, look at this. This is amazing. Hi, Mia. Mia. Hey, baby. Oh my gosh. Wow. ASMR. Look at this. I've got a snowball. No, oh my god. Why does this always have to happen to me? Wait a minute. Oh my god. Oh, wait. When I just try to film it, ew, that's... No, the tag is in the bottom. Oh my god. Why? Annoying. Anyway. Hey guys, so I'm making homework right now. Yeah, I've got my cup of tea here. It's snowing. You can't really see the snow falling down, but it is. Yeah. When I was going home, I almost fell off my bike because it was so slippery. And also my mascara is all gone, so I have to redo that. Yeah. But I will finish this thing and then I will update y'all. Bye. Okay guys, I will go back into the snow. Why do I look like that? That's because of the lighting. Okay, so I will put on my jacket because it's really cold. It is really cold. And I'll go play in the snow real quick. I just finished my homework, like the school task, and it literally took me 4.5 hours. 4.5 freaking hours. But yeah, I'm gonna go outside in the snow. It's really cold. Oh, did it stop snowing? It's starting to rain. No, that's so sad. I think that's snow though. No, that's not snow. Oh my god. Look at the snow on the trash can. Yeah. Look at the snowball. Yay! Bippy, look at this. He doesn't give a shit. Yeah. I wanted the snow to last, but it won't. It's already turning into like ice. So I'm probably gonna slip. It's cold. Okay, watch this. I'm gonna make a snowball. I'm gonna throw it at the wall. That's so fun. Okay, that's really childish. Now at the window. Oh, oopsie daisy. Oh my gosh, I almost fell. Okay guys, that's my trampoline. I really want to go on there. I really want to do that. So maybe I will. I don't know where to put it on my phone. Okay, I will put it here. Oh my god, that's so funny. Oh my god. Notice. It's Wonderland. It's all up in my underwear, guys, and in my shoes. It's really cold. I literally fell down. Look at my knee. I'm so cold. I'm so cold. But it's alright. I'll stay down outside. I'm gonna make a snowman. That's what I'm gonna do. Hey. Stop trying to hit my. No. Yeah. Nee. Mia. She's trying to eat the snowball. I'm just trying to make like a snowman. But she's trying to eat the body of him. You little bully. Don't look at me like this. scary dog. No. Look at that. This is a beast. I think I'm gonna make it bigger. Okay. Let me just put that down right here. Guys, I'm so tired. Oh my god. My toes are freezing. But I'm gonna make another one. Ah, no, don't do that. Okay. I think this is gonna be... Oh, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I'm really tired. This is gonna be there. The second part of the body. This is gonna be the head. The head almost fell. Wow, look how cute. Okay, guys. I don't have any carrots for his nose. Stay on. No! Don't do that. Okay. Yeah. Oh. Be careful, be careful. Come here, baby. Look at the snowman. Look at that. I gotta find something for the arms. Oh, dumbass. Gotta find something for the arms and the nose. I got like these two little branches for the arms. They're like so small. Mia, no. Mia, don't. Can you even see them? Oh, you cannot. He looks funny. He looks really funny. Look at that. Oh, Mia, get here. Mia, yeah. Come on. Look at that. I did that. I ate this. Okay, I'm just gonna put my phone down here. I think I'm gonna make something in there. Hey, Mia, no, Mia. I'm gonna make a heart. Hey, Mia, get away. Oh my god, I'm slipping. No, I ruined it. Yeah, no. Yeah. Okay, it doesn't look like that. Oh my god, that paw print is so cute. I'm gonna take a picture of that. Look how cute. Okay guys, sorry for the backbiting. This is the end of this video. I did not expect it to snow. As you could see in the beginning of this video, there wasn't any snow. It was literally raining. My dog is having zoomies. Like, look at her. Okay. Mia. Mia. Come here, baby. Oh. But yeah, I think this is the end of the video. So thanks for watching and see you the next time. Bye.